Our pursuit of the sky surpasses imagination. The pursuit of competition goes beyond challenges. This is a journey of self-exploration. This is PilotXer. Every step forward is filled with hardships. The future belongs to continuous exploration. Teenagers who embark on self-breakthroughs and adventures. May you chase the skies with the drone in your hand. May you transcend the stars, traverse the moonlit nights, chasing the sky. I'm here with the dream, and sail here. Today, you are brave warriors challenging yourselves. Tomorrow, you will become heroes creating history. One day, you will spread your wings and soar high. PilotX, accompanying you all the way. New adventure.